Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload, store, and search documents inside the Document Central application. We'll walk through selecting repositories, adding document details, setting expiry dates, and securely saving files so they're easy to find. To begin, navigate to the Smart Doc Manager module, or simply search for Documents. From there, open the Document Central application. Inside the application, you will see a list of all existing documents. You can search for documents using any available criteria. For now, let's focus on adding a new document. Click Add Document. Next, choose a document type. This list is fully configurable and is managed through drop-down setup options. For this example, we will select Contract as the document type. Then, select the appropriate repository. You will see two kinds of repositories: open repositories, which are available to all users; secured repositories, which are restricted to users with specific permissions. If you have the required access, you will be able to select from both secured and open repositories. Otherwise, you will see only the open repositories that are available to all users. This list is a combined view of all available repositories. For this example, I'm selecting Customer Legal Documents as a repository. Since this repository is designated for storing customer-related legal documentation, we need to specify the corresponding customer. During the repository setup, we define whether a repository is associated with a customer, vendor, employee, or another entity. Because this particular repository is configured for customers, the system requires us to select a customer from the customer list. Here, we can choose any customer, for example, Delma, which we're using as our sample customer. Next, you can enter a document number. This helps identify the specific contract you're referencing. If your contract includes a document reference number, you can enter the same number here. This makes it easier to search for the document later using the contract or reference number. Additionally, you can also provide a document title, such as Yearly Contract. In addition to the title, you may enter a reference number. For example, you could use 500301 as the reference number for this document. If the document has a validity period, you can specify both the issue or signed date and the expiry date. For instance, you might set the issue date as the 17th of this month. If the document is valid for 1 year, you could then select an expiry date, such as the 16th of November 2026. By entering this information, the system understands the document's life cycle, specifically that it has an expiration and may require renewal. At this point, all essential details about the document and the target repository have been captured. Now it's time to upload the actual file. Click to select the document, for example, the client service document, and once chosen, simply click Save. The document will then be successfully uploaded and stored in the selected repository. Now, I can search for the document using any of the information I entered earlier. For example, if I select the Customer Legal Documents repository and choose Delma as the customer, and then run a search for all documents, the document we just uploaded will appear. You can see it here with the expiry date of the 16th of November 2026. This is simply a sample document used to demonstrate how documents are stored within repositories. You can also search using other criteria, such as the reference number, the document number, or any other metadata provided during upload. For instance, by resetting the filters and searching directly by the document number, the system will display the corresponding contract. The system allows you to search documents by document number, document type, reference number, customer, due date or expiry date, document title, document status, valid or expired. All these tags are captured during document creation and used to help you quickly locate the right document. Documents are stored securely within their respective repositories. Only users who have access to a specific repository will be able to view the documents within it. Even if several users have access to the Document Central application, they may not necessarily see all documents, only those permitted to them. Open repositories, however, remain accessible to all authorized application users. Once you locate a document, you can download, print, or preview it. The preview window allows you to zoom in, search within the document, and perform all typical actions available in a standard PDF viewer. That's all for this session. In the next video, we'll explore how to manage other document types, including worker and financial documents, and how to configure repository security settings. Thank you for watching.